Let's see. This is the avatar song a little bit.
Shot. Which one was that?
Avatar.
Theme song?
Yeah.
Champagne showers.
Oh shit. Yeah.
Has no beat to it though. Or you could pop to Did you fart?
That is loud, dude.
Okay, here's the one they did for the movie.
Shut up, man.
Oh, I got the Forbidden Kingdom.
Keep it in there.
Forbidden Kingdom.
I need to take these too.
Okay, now where's the avatar?
Oh shit.
You gotta hurt yourself too.
Oh shit.
Oh man.
Yeah, I got a new one.
Fight Nikki, he got dude, Nikki, he is making that for Xbox 360 dance. You know that, right?
Yeah, I heard him talk about it on a YouTube video. Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, let's play fast.
Boom, 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 boom.
Really, Jackson?
Boom.
Really, Jackson?
Boom, 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 boom.
You should become a B-boy avatar, dude.
Yeah, no. People come from Mexico, not kidding.
I'm gonna take off my socks, dude. I don't wanna kill myself.
No, you sit on me.
Oh, see? This is where they do the earth bending. Bam, 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 bam. And it does water bending right here, then does fire bending next, and well, air. I watched that movie too much.
Yes,
Well, at least,
you do.
well, actually, I watched the beginning too much because I like how they do that.
Oh,
Oh, this is where the airbending comes in. Then they start talking about
It's not
how
a
the-
B-boy.